So yeah, we have lots of different versions of Stream Deck, and I think what it comes down to, like on a purely like overarching level, all of these devices that you see on screen currently, more or less do the exact same thing. If you press on a key all the way on the left side there on Stream Deck Mobile, a virtual key, if you press on a key on the Stream Deck Mark II here, which is this one, if you press on a key on the Stream Deck Plus here or on the module, or if you press the big pedal in the middle of Stream Deck pedal, all of these keys, they all do the same thing. If you put Discord mute on there, it's going to mute. If you put open a website on there, it's going to open the website. If you put on there like a weather, the we have a weather plugin to check the weather. All of those keys, well, okay, maybe not the Stream Deck pedal because you can't really see anything, but all of these keys can display the weather. And so what's really, really nice about this is Stream Deck gives you the freedom to choose which product is best for you in the application that you're going to use it in and the workflow that you're going to use it in. So if you're heavy on audio and you want all that control all the time, a Stream Deck Plus is perfect for that. It's got 4 dials. Those dials, you can adjust audio, you can zoom in camera, you can quickly select things. If you are doing more graphic design, maybe you want to go with the Stream Deck Mark II because you can put all of your tools and like layer controls and stuff like that right on the keys. Maybe you're running more of a professional production, then you want to get the Stream Deck XL with its 32 keys. It's actually not on this picture, but it's got 32 keys, right? And so that's really the beauty of the Stream Deck ecosystem, that it's not just, well, I got the Stream Deck Mark II and I'm limited now to these like 15 keys that kind of do this one set of thing. It's these devices, they all do pretty much the same thing and they're all entirely expandable. Is that a word? And the way that you do that is through plugins. Think of plugins a little bit like apps on your phone. On your phone, if you want to do something, you download an app for it, right? If you want to call an Uber, you get an app for that. If you want to, uh, I don't know, browse Twitter, there's an app for that. If you want to watch a Twitch live stream, there's an app for that, right? And Stream Deck is much the same way. If you want to control Spotify, there is a plugin for that. If you want to control Discord, there's a plugin for that. And all of these are downloaded well, very soon they'll actually be downloaded right in the Stream Deck app, but you can also browse them today if you want to, just on Elgato Marketplace. At this point, I believe we have over 400, if not 500 different plugins. And there's kind of everything. If you just want to control system volume, of course, we're actually using OBS to live stream. So we've got a Stream Deck set up to change scenes. If you want to control OBS, you can do that. Discord, if you want to see your CPU usage. Here's a pretty cool one. Do you have speakers and do you have headphones and you kind of switch between them? There's literally just a plugin called Audio Switcher that toggles between two outputs. So, you could go from you're focusing on work, you've got, headphones on, that sort of thing, to, all right, you just want to kick back, relax. You just tap a key and boom, now your audio is coming out through your speakers. Wind tools lets you see the ping. I mean, there's some really cool stuff here. You can just put the ping on a key. You want to see your ping? Put it on a key. There's so many incredible things that you can do with Stream Deck. And again, all of these plugins work with all of these devices. Do you kind of see where I'm going with this? Like there's a ton of stuff that you can do with it. And you're not really limited to just any one thing. Heck, there's even just dice. Like if you're playing a D&D campaign and you need a quick, D20, D6, D8, something like that, you can just put those all on different keys. And then, if you're playing virtually with friends, or even if you are the DM, you could do that in person with your friends if you just connect your Stream Deck up to a laptop. So there's a ton of different possibilities here.